How to increase font size on Instagram. So let's get started with the tutorial. This method only works on iPhone or any iOS device, so make sure you have the iOS for this method to work. Now all you have to do is open the settings app from your iPhone's home screen, then scroll down and tap on the accessibility option available in there. Inside accessibility, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the pre-app settings. In there, all you have to do is tap on the Add app, then in the search address bar, type down Instagram and search for the Instagram app. And all you have to do is tap on it. Now tap on Instagram, tap on the larger text, and increase the slider to the right hand side to increase the font size of Instagram. Go back and check on the Instagram whether the font size has increased or not. And here you go. You can increase the font size according to your preferences, and that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.